Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on March 20th, 2026, just 3 days ago. It introduces the Lambda Recursive Language Model, a framework that solves context rot, which is the steep drop in accuracy when prompts get too long, by replacing unconstrained code generation with a structured functional runtime, improving average accuracy by up to 22 points, and reducing latency by 4.1 times. The paper is titled, The Y Combinator for Large Language Models, Solving Long-Context Rot with Lambda Calculus. And as we will see later, the framework shows some really striking improvements, with significant implications for reliable long-context reasoning. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 summarizes the main results, comparing the Lambda framework against both standard recursive language models and direct inference. The left chart highlights accuracy gains across different model sizes, where the Lambda approach delivers a nearly 22-point increase for smaller 8 to 7 billion parameter models. The right chart tells the efficiency side of the story. Because it replaces open-ended code generation with a structured functional runtime, the framework consistently drops latency, speeding up processing by 4.1 times compared to the standard recursive approach. So, while the previous figure highlighted the performance gains, Table 1 details the compact library of pre-verified combinators that replaces open-ended code generation. These operators handle specific control tasks, such as breaking down prompts with split and peek, or processing elements using map and filter. Aggregation tools like reduce and concat then piece everything back together. Crucially, the bottom row introduces M, the neural oracle. This is the only step that actually invokes the large language model, which processes just the small leaf subproblems, so all other routing logic remains fully deterministic. Okay, since the previous table introduced the combinators, Table 5 details how this structured approach impacts latency. Direct inference is naturally the fastest, because it relies on a single call without any scaffolding, though it also has the lowest accuracy. But when comparing the two recursive methods, the Lambda recursive language model is faster than the normal recursive approach in every single case. Looking at the average results at the bottom, the Lambda framework significantly cuts down processing time, which is a direct result of executing a single pre-built combinator chain rather than generating open-ended code. Well, while Table 5 showed the speedups, Table 4 dives into the accuracy gains across those same models and tasks. The Lambda recursive language model, highlighted here in green, is compared against direct inference and the standard recursive approach. Out of 36 comparisons, the Lambda framework wins 29 times. The most striking improvements happen with the smaller 8 billion and 7 billion parameter models, which is especially clear in the OOL pairs task, where the Lambda approach jumps to around 35% accuracy, while direct inference completely fails. Looking at the average results at the bottom, these consistent wins prove that structured control significantly boosts reliability. Alright, since the previous table established the overall accuracy wins, Table 7 breaks down these improvements by task complexity. The largest leap happens in the OOL pairs task, a highly complex quadratic problem, where the Lambda framework achieves a 29-point gain and a 6.2 times speedup. Conversely, the smallest gain is seen on code QA, because strong models can sometimes use creative code generation to partially match the structured approach. Still, across all tasks, the Lambda recursive language model delivers a solid 4 times average speedup. Okay. While Table 7 broke down the gains by task complexity, Table 10 isolates the contribution of each component through an ablation study. The largest drop happens in row A4, where replacing the combinator library with free-form code generation slashes accuracy by 24 points and increases latency nearly 4 times. Row A1 shows that relying on a random partition size also causes a massive 17-point accuracy loss. Finally, row A3 highlights the efficiency of the symbolic compose step, because swapping it for a neural oracle call costs 5 accuracy points but nearly doubles latency. So while Table 10 highlighted the individual components, Table 9 directly tests the core hypotheses. Row C1 shows that adding formal structure to an 8 billion parameter model improves its accuracy by 22 points. Row C2 then confirms the scale substitution hypothesis, meaning a structured smaller model can replace a larger one, because this 8 billion parameter model ties a standard 70 billion parameter model. Finally, row C3 demonstrates that this structured 8 billion model even beats direct inference on a 405 billion parameter model, proving it successfully mitigates exponential context rot. Alright, Wrapping up, this research proves that separating neural reasoning from symbolic control is a game changer. By replacing open-ended code generation with a structured functional runtime, smaller models can effectively match the performance of massive ones on long-context tasks. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.